Turn the dude up. So we just pulled in at the side of the road to show the Myrtos beach viewpoint. Look how deep, look how blue that water is. What do you think, Tara?
Bloody amazing. Oh my god, look at them all!
We stopped off at yet another viewpoint overlooking some Kefalonian sea, the mountains and all that. A very, very beautiful island, I think. What do you think to the views, Tara?
Absolutely stunning.
Like me. And we've now made it to Assos. We pulled up just a little bit outside the town because there's no parking spaces, but we're here and we're going to go explore the town if Tara ever gets out the car.
Shut up.
Don't know if it will ever happen, if she will ever get out the car. I guess we'll soon find out. Pray for me. Don't believe it, but we made it out of the car. So here we are in Assos. Woohoo! It's very cute. We're just walking down into the main bit, I think. I don't know if there is a main bit. Here's a fun fact about this place. It actually didn't have a name for quite a while. But then one day there was the mayor who went out for some food to eat and he accidentally sat in some ketchup, and from here on it was called Assos, which roughly translates to ass sauce, which over the years has developed to Assos. So there you go. It's a fact. Isn't that right? Yeah?
You're such a shit talker.
I don't know if you can see on this, but you can see literally right through to all the fish. It's ridiculously clear. Here we've got pro photographer Tara Majori working the magic. How's it looking, girl?
Could be wet.
There's the beach thing, stone thing, whatever you can call it, beach, quarry, and the nice lake to swim in, sea to swim in. Again, whatever you want to call it, who knows? Very, very bad at this, apparently. We took a turn to walk up something called the Fenari Walk. It's like a nice little thing above Assos. There's the sea lake thing that we mentioned before. So I don't know where this is going to take us, but we're just going to explore and see, but it looks extremely nice. I believe that is a castle. Tara, do you know what the name of the castle is?
Assos Castle.
Castle. That water is absolutely ridiculously blue. It's getting a bit more of a wilder path now. Shall we continue?
Yeah, this is nice, it's shady.
Shady. This is pretty shady in more than one ways. I think we've reached the end of the track. But you can see out to sea there, see the mountains, caves, Atara. The views here are absolutely ridiculous. So it turns out that going down that random path worked out pretty well. Here we are, just amongst absolute natural beauty. And natural beauty also includes myself, by the way. I am naturally beautiful. That might be true, might not be true, but so goodbye to these views and let's head back to Assos. Let's go get some food, because I'm starving, as always. There's not much of a barrier on this walkway, so you could probably easily fall down. So you've got to be careful. So it should be called Kefalonia. Get it? Kefalonia, careful. It's good. Here we have quite a meowy cat. What's your thoughts on this place? I haven't finished, let me ask my question first. What are your thoughts on this place? Oh, for God's sake, cat. Do you like it here? Okay, fair enough. Not everyone likes it, but why? What is it that you don't like about it? Anything in particular? Oh fuck, that does sound bad. I'll leave you to it then. Jesus Christ. Get out of there quick. If you do ever find yourself in Assos and want to know what the name of that walk is, it's called Fenari Walk. Very nice. So we stopped off for something sweet. Tara, what have you gone for?
A savoury crepe with chicken, bacon and cheese, and a milkshake.
And I've gone for a ham and cheese crepe and milkshake too. So I'm excited and starving. It is unbearably warm right now, and I'm driving, so I can't have a beer. So Pepsi it is, which absolutely sucks, but there you go. Obviously you've got to film it before you can actually eat it, but 2 crepes and 2 milkshakes. It's going to sort us right out. Any good? Oh yeah. So lunch is finished. I think it's time to say a quick goodbye to Assos. You've been lovely. Nice waters. See you later. Bye. We walked just a bit further up and there's another cove here. That water is so clear. I've said that about 54 times.
This is the clearest water I've seen.
This is the clearest water I've ever seen.
No, this is.
Do you want to pack it in? Anyway, yeah, I've said it quite a lot of times. But even in this one video, I think I said it about 44 times, but that is extremely clear water. It is beautiful. I said beautiful quite a lot as well.
It's so green as well, like the dark green.
It's green,
Contrast.
it's blue, there's rocks. It's just really nice, isn't it? Just my review of the day is just really nice.
Hello, Mr. Goat. How are you?
So basically, I know we saw it earlier, but down there is Myrtos Beach, which looks pretty damn ridiculous. We're not going down swimming it because apparently it's really deep and not very nice to swim in, and the currents are pretty strong, so I'm just going to get a nice photo of it from up here because it looks pretty stunning. Top view.